Hello everyone, this is Bhai Parmar and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, today I am gonna go over my Monday and Tuesday trades. So without a further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is my 15-minute markups. As we can see here, we break this level of structure and this level of structure. So I'm take this candle and mark my 15-minute demand zone here. Let's talk about this 15-minute supply. So what happened is we tapped into our 4-hour supply zone, then we started breaking structure to the downside. We break several level of structure, then we mitigate to this 15-minute zone, then again we started breaking structure to the downside. We break here, we break here, then again we mitigate to this level. So because of this breaks, take this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest. So as we can see, we again mitigate to this level, then we tapped into our 15-minute demand zone. We get a pullback from here and we break through our demand. Also what we can see is here here we can see that we get a flip from this candle. This was our 15-minute demand zone. So this was our 15-minute demand zone. We got a reaction of it and then we break this demand. So this 15-minute demand, we get a flip from here and the 15-minute demand become our 15-minute supply, and that's why I mark this 15-minute supply. Also we tapped into our 4-hour demand. Inside this 4-hour demand we have our 15-minute demand zone. So what happened is we tapped into our we tapped into our 15-minute demand zone. We got a change in characteristics here. That's why I took this candle and mark my 15-minute point of interest here. So guys, these were my 15-minute markups and my thought process behind my 15-minute markups. So guys, in London session we tapped into our 15-minute demand zone. We saw some sort of liquidity, then we got our change in characteristics from here. So after watching this change in character, what I did is took the 50% of this candle, sorry, I take my grand box, took 50% of this candle and place my buy limit here with a stop loss of 2 pips, but unfortunately we didn't get tagged into this trade. So it's okay if we didn't get tagged into this trade, no need to rush because the next trade is around the corner. So I was just waiting, and what happened is here we create some sort of liquidity, and above this we have our 15-minute point of interest. We tapped into our point of interest and also we swapped the sorry we swapped this liquidity. Also in smaller time frame we had created some liquidity here. We swapped it and then we get our change in characteristics from here. So we got a change in characteristics here. So after watching this change in characteristics, one of my order was here from this candle, because the true momentum came into the market after this candle. So I took this candle and I take a short off of it. I place my sell limit here with a stop loss of 1.5 pips. Okay, but price didn't came here also. So what I did is, we have this supply zone. So what happened is, after this change in characteristics, we we tapped into this supply, and when we break this supply with this candle, so here we get a flip, and I took this candle as my demand zone. I marked this candle and place my sell order here with 1.5 pip stop loss. Sorry, with 1.5 pip stop loss. And basically I was just targeting my 15-minute, my 4-hour demand zone to the downside. Sorry guys, my trading view is lagging today, so apologies for that. And I was just targeting my 4-hour demand zone here, and also I was managing this trade in my 5-minute chart. uh, first first after this break of structure to the downside, i i I put my stop loss to here. After this rapid move, I put my stop loss to here. Then after this rapid move, I put my stop loss to here, and my TP was here at my 4-hour demand zone. And because of this, we successfully fully banked 41.93 R. So this was my biggest trade, uh, which I took in a single day, when we banked 41.93 hours. After this, I didn't trade the New York session. So all the moves I didn't trade it. So guys, on the next day, 26th October, in London session, we again tapped into our 15-minute demand zone. We generate some sort of liquidity here. These are my equal lows. We swept this liquidity, then we break structure here. So after this break of structure, what I did is, I take my grand box, took this candle, mark this candle, and I place my order here. My buy limit was here, and our stop loss was 1.4 pip, and I gave it some breathing room, make it 2 pips. and basically I was targeting my 15-minute supply zone here. So this was a counter trend play because in 15 minutes we are bearish. So this was quite a riskier play, in, but I took this trade and I just I banged 13.5 hours from this trade. And what happened next is after this trade in the New York session, sorry, beginning of the New York session, we tap into our 15-minute supply zone. Here, this is our 15-minute supply zone. We got a change in characteristics from here. Sorry, this was a small change in character. Also, you can consider this a small break of structure. So what I did is we get momentum from this candle and this candle. So I basically took this candle, take the 50% of this. So I took these both candles, and place my sell limit here. So as we can see, uh, I didn't get tagged in here because for a with I missed this entry with sorry missed this entry with 0 with 0.8 pips. So for 0.8 pips I missed this entry, but no worries, this is part of game. Sometimes we lose, sometimes we win, sometimes we miss. Don't rush the process. So here I don't get tagged in. After this I was looking for some entries, so I didn't find any entries here. So what happened next is here we break this supply as well. So yeah, after this I didn't take any trade of here. So in London session we get 13 hour, and in New York session we missed this trade, and this trade has potential of more than 20 to 25 hour. Yeah, even if I would have targeted this low I would have banged 19 hour, but it is what it is. We missed this trade. So guys, these were the trades which I took on 25th and 26th October. In London session, in starting of the London session we missed this trade, then we took this short and bang 41.93 hour. After that I didn't trade the New York session. On the next day in the London session we bang 13 hour, and we missed this trade which has a potential of more than 20 hour. So guys, these were the 4 trades which I placed. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share with your fellow traders, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and peace out.